Yes, Adrian.
How are you, sweetheart? So how are you feeling?
Yeah, we are very excited. Hurricane loves Hollywood. She loves to walk on the Walk of Fame.
Yeah?
And she stopped in the front of your star.
No, she didn't. That's unbelievable. Well, you're going to be having your own little pour on there soon.
Hurricane, she's a star, and she knows.
It's just adorable.
I want to tell you a small secret.
Oh, my gosh. Just when I thought things were going so well, Adrian just said to me, I had a big crush on Mel B.
I think Hurricane was a little bit nervous about my crush on Mel B.
Hello.
But Hurricane is the queen of my heart, is my princess, is my queen. This is my $1 million dog.
The winner is Adrian Stoica!
But winning AGT doesn't mean you go on the fantasy league and you win again. There are other winners here with us, so we need to be better. We need to go up, up, up.
If you want my advice, it's coming up with the original ideas. I mean, that's what makes this act so special and so unique.
For the semifinals, we changed the structure of the act. It's about timing, it's about connection together.
Yeah.
Tonight, you see another side of Hurricane.
Hurricane, oh my God, you're so gorgeous. Why can't all contestants be like you?
Are we about to see a $250,000 act?
Yes, we are.
Hurricane doesn't know about winning or not winning. We just perform together, having fun. It's important to share these memories with your best friend.
The champions are back.
Let me just make sure it's nice and polished.
Do you know what? I'd actually rather she did give them the golden buzzer, because that way they get through to the final.
Oh, he's doing reverse psychology.
It's not reverse psychology.
He's moody because he hasn't got a golden buzzer left. And he doesn't know how to deal with not being in control of it.
This is another chapter, and we will do our best to be on the final.
Is that a remote control?
Yeah.